everyone, this is Maria. Today I have another blind bag unboxing or unpackaging. And so these are the mystery packages or blind bags. This is called Kitty in My Pocket. I have 12 of these. I purchased these at the 99-cent only store, and these were only 99 cents. And we have a cat named Oreo, and that's what I thought these were so cute. They reminded me of my kitty and also a lot of the other kitties that come around our house. And so let's go ahead and open these collectible figures series 3. Here's the back of the package so you can get an idea. I see 13 back here, but I'm not sure how many there are to collect, but we'll find out. And so it doesn't look like, oh wait, so it looks like we can open them from here. We don't need scissors, so that's a good thing. And so let's see what we have inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's a collector's guide, a collector checklist. And let's see which one we have. Oh, look how cute. How adorable that is. I really love these, and they're fuzzy. I just really love these. These are the perfect size. I love miniatures. Here's our checklist. It says Series 3 Kitty in My Pocket Collector Checklist. Find the ultra rare kitty, which would be this one right here, the Persian kitty, Miss Misty. Miss Misty. And it says, watch for Puppy in My Pocket video shorts. Oh, okay, so you can visit their website. And I'll go ahead and list that. It says Series 3, and it shows here there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 to collect, plus the mystery one. And so let's see which one this is. And so, let's see. I don't see which one this is. So I see that's Molly Ragdoll, but it doesn't look like that one. I'm thinking it's Mr. Wonderful, right? Does it look like Mr. Wonderful to you? I think that's such a cute name. So, okay, so I think this one is Mr. Wonderful. Let's call him Mr. Wonderful. Okay, because he does look wonderful. And so let's go ahead and open this one. These are fun, so easy to open. And so let's see, we have our collector's guide here. I love these packages, the foil packaging. Oh, look, we have another Mr. Wonderful. We have twins, we have doubles. Okay, and so when you get extras, you can either keep them or trade them or give them away as gifts. And so I like to share. And this one, oh my gosh, look how adorable. This one comes like in a little box. It's a plastic box. Oh my gosh, you know how kitties like to play in boxes? This is so adorable. This one is Max. How cute is this one? So this is little Maxie. So let's go ahead and open the fourth one. And let's see, here's the collector's guide. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. Oh, I love this one so much. And so this one is Lola. Lola, I have a sister named Lola. So now we're on a roll. And this one is, oh my gosh, here it is. Look at that, the little, I want to say they're little stripies. Okay, so I think this one is Pickles because he looks like he's laying on his side and he's playing with like a little toy mouse, or maybe that's a ball of yarn. But anyways, so this is Pickles. So now let's see which one's in here. And so we have the collector's guide. Here we go. Oh, look, we have another one. So we have another Max. And so Max has a twin. Let's open another. See what this one is. Oh, look at this one. This is so cute. So this one is Bella. She is so adorable. So now I know why they call them Kitty in Your Pocket, because they're so small you can slip them right into your pocket. So there's the collector's guide. And this one, oh my gosh, now we already have this one. So it looks like Lola has a twin too. So let's see which one's in here. This one is, oh my gosh, look how adorable. This one is Smokey. Isn't he cute? He's super duper cute. Look at that. Just adorable too. So we're down to our last 3. So let's go ahead and open this one up. And let's see which one it is. Do we have this one already? No, we don't. Look how cute. Oh, wait. Yes, we do. Still very cute. I just love these. And now, down to the last 2. And let's see which one this is. Oh, look. We have another one, another Max. So that means we have triplets. Okay, so this is the very last one. Let's take another look at the package. And so this is it, the very last one. Let's see if we'll get something different. So maybe we'll get Miss Misty. Wouldn't that be nice? So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here's the collector's guide. Here we go, here we go. This is the last one. Oh my gosh, we did get something different. So this one is Molly, and she is so beautiful. Isn't she pretty? And so let's go ahead and set Molly here with the others. What do I think about these kitties in my pocket? I think they are super, super, super cute. And I give them 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everyone. In the comments below, let me know if you have a favorite. Also, let me know if you collect these. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.